Hello everyone. So right now I'm cooking lunch for my husband and I. So here's what we're cooking. A really simple chicken curry, some stir fried vegetables and white rice. House is in such a mess because it's been quite a hectic week. We have a lot of our business work, some DIY, just a lot of things that we're doing. So I really need to clean my dining table, else I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm cat. I've always wanted to be a chef. So now that I'm living alone with my husband, I'm really putting my skills to work. And that chicken curry. I'm still in the process of decorating my house because we just moved 2 months back and we've been so busy. So I actually have an idea to put some photo frames of me and my husband's nikah date and some family pictures. Not sure if I should not, and really my plant has gone to a side, so I need to keep it straight. So yeah, let's see what this area is gonna look like after I do a little DIY and get this house into shape. The waiting game, waiting till the food is cooked. Meet my cat Elsa. She's always hungry and just follows me around in the kitchen always. This vlog is basically a super basic vlog. I just wanted to show you guys just how a normal day at my household is. Nothing much, nothing planned, just bits and pieces. So here's why me and my husband have been so busy. This is our brand Chinadi oil. It's an Ayurveda brand. It was founded in 1947 actually by my husband's grandfather, and it's used for body ache, joint pain, swelling of the muscles, skin, hair, wellness, massage, literally a whole package. So it's just the beginning of the month and we've just been so packed trying to get this into the shelves. So it's more hands-on to people to get it. So yeah. So it's time for dinner. I already have a game plan for dinner because I just wanted it to be easy today, and it's only Monday and like just want to make sure I don't get too tired cooking. So I got some parotas and I made some extra curry today, some extra gravy, extra meat. So I'm just gonna heat these parotas, heat the curry, and yeah, this was my little mini vlog to show you guys how a really basic day is. Because I just wanted to be real. I just want to be real as possible on this platform. So stay tuned for more content, more YouTube content. Comment if there's anything that you'd like to see. And I'll see you guys soon.